Hello guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to animate the follow camera in third person in UE4, and we're gonna use C++ to achieve this. Now this is a continuation of the playlist called Unreal Engine C++. So you can watch the previous episodes if you want to and follow along, or you can create a new third person C++ project in Unreal Engine, alright? So let's get started. We're gonna animate the follow camera here, and just to show you, you can open up the third person CPP folder, then go to blueprints and open up third person character, open full blueprint editor and click on viewport. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna access the follow camera right here, and we're gonna animate it in C++ to make it follow the character when the character moves forward, alright? So you can use this to give your game a more smooth experience for the player, alright? So let's go ahead and close that and make sure you have the Unreal Editor open and also Visual Studio. So you can open up Visual Studio, and we're gonna open up the third person character header file, which you can find in the source of your project. So let's go down here to protected. And we're gonna start by defining a couple of functions and variables. So the first thing we're gonna need is a bool called isMovingForward. We're gonna use this to decide whether or not the character is moving forward, so if the camera should be animated. We're also gonna use a tick function, which is called everyFrame. An argument called DataTime should be passed to this function. I'm also gonna need a float called camera boom target arm length. That's a long name, but you can name it whatever you want. We're gonna set it to 300 in length initially. So that's all we need to define in the header. Now go ahead and right click the tick function here and create a definition of it in the CPP file. Save the header file and open up the third person character.cpp. So now we can go down here to the actual tick function and get started. But before we start writing any code here in the tick function, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the move forward function, which you should already have in the third person character.cpp file if you have created a C++ project. And we're gonna add isMovingForward. We're gonna set it to true. So this basically means that if we're moving forward, the value is not 0. We're setting simply the variable to true because we're moving forward, and else, so if the value is not 0, so probably bigger than 0 or smaller than 0, we're gonna say is moving forward false, because then we're simply not, the character is not moving forward anymore. So that's it for the move forward function. Now we can go up to the tick function here and start programming the actual logic for the animation. So to begin, we're gonna call the parent tick function, so super tick, passing delta time. And then we're gonna say if is moving forward. So if we are moving forward, then we should animate the camera, right? Because then we have been standing still and we're moving forward. So we're gonna add if camera boom target arm length, which is initially 300, is bigger than 230, F for float. We're gonna decrease the camera boom target arm length with 1. So 300 minus 1, and then 300 minus 1 for each frame. That's what the tick function does, alright? It's called each frame in the game. And then we're gonna also set the actual length of the camera boom. So target arm length equals with camera boom target arm length. Alright? Oh, sorry, not minus minus 1, simply as minus minus. So for each frame, if we are moving forward and the camera boom target arm length is bigger than 230, which is gonna be since it's initially 300, then we're gonna decrease the camera boom target arm length, which we have set to 300, right? With 1 for each frame until it reaches 230, right? So that's all we need for if we're moving forward. Then let's simply say else. So if we're not moving forward, we're just gonna reset the camera boom target arm length to 300. And also change the actual property here to camera boom target arm length. Like that, right? So let's go ahead and open up UE4 now and click compile, and we're gonna see if we get any errors here or if everything's working. And there we go, compile complete. So let's hit play and see if this works. So now we're simply just gonna run forward by using W on the keyboard. And as you can see, the camera follows our character, and if we stop, it just bounces back, alright? And the same thing works for pressing S, so running towards the camera. You can see the character actually is running almost into the camera. Right? So that's how you can make your game a bit smoother with the C++ in Unreal Engine. And of course you can try a couple of different things to change with the camera here. So basically, just to show you what happens in the code when our character starts moving, is that this is being animated. Oh, sorry. Now I can't drag the actual camera here, but it's simply just moving closer by the target arm here, right? So yeah, that's just a simple way to animate your camera boom in third person. I hope you learned something, and bye bye.